Every few decades, a country changes the rules of the game. Japan did it in 70s, Korea did it in 90s, China is doing it right now, and this factory is exactly where it's happening.
Meet BAW, China's most legendary factory that built unstoppable vehicles since 1953.
Beijing Automobile Works, more than 70 years of building vehicles, 5 factories across China, 500,000 vehicles produced every single year. This is not a new brand trying to impress you. This is history, still moving forward.
Used to produce military vehicles and now is open for private label.
From supplying the Chinese military for generations, to manufacturing some of the most advanced electric SUVs on the planet today.
Welcome to the future of car manufacturers. Now you can see a robotic arm powered by AI. It is not only very precise and works better than human. I only have one question. Will it be the same in a worldwide?
90% automated production, 280 robots working around the clock. No fatigue, no error, no compromise. Every car that leaves this line is built on the exact same standard as the one before it. The consistency is what makes a brand trustworthy worldwide.
And here is the incredible part about all this. I'm so stunned by how they go from this to this. From military to luxury, full-size, large SUV.
Rox Adamas is built on a different kind of conquest. Same factory, same precision, a completely different world.
And here we can witness with you assembling of stunning Rox Adamas, and you can see they still producing this legendary, used to be military vehicle Beijing 212.
What you are watching right now is a Rox Adamas being born. Every panel fitted by a robotic arm, every joint checked by sensors. This is not a car assembled by hands. This is an aerospace level manufacturing applied to a luxury SUV.
And it stays stunning how they go from military vehicles to this luxurious, large 6 seats and 7 seats SUV with air suspensions and fully zero gravity seats. Everything you can imagine inside. It is high-tech, beautiful luxury SUV from China, which coming soon to Europe.
Designed by Pininfarina, the Italian studio behind some of the most iconic Ferraris ever made. Battery by CLTL, the same supplier trusted by Tesla and BMW. Drivetrain components by Bosch. This car was engineered with the best partners in the world. It just happens to build in China.
Now you have unique chance to have a test drive of Rox Adamas.
5 meters of luxury SUV, 350 kilowatts, 740 Nm of torque, 0 to 100 in 5.5 seconds, air suspension, zero gravity seats. And let's feel what it actually means.
You can see the soundproof is pretty legit. It handles vibration pretty well. Let's see how their double wisdom suspensions works. As you can see, it's so soft. It goes smooth and good. You will feel like you're floating in an S-Class. It has that beautiful grip, you know. It feels pretty good, and you can feel that horsepower under the hood. 1.5 turbo engine and 2 electric motors gives this vehicle some quick acceleration. It has that steel grip, which I like about this vehicle.
And here what makes this powertrain special for European drivers. In a city, pure electric up to 215 km, zero fuel, zero emissions. And on a highway or long distance, the 1.5-liter kicks in, not to drive the wheels, but to charge the battery as you go. With a total range of up to 1,405 km on a single full tank and charge. That is London to Warsaw, non-stop, no range anxiety, ever.
Don't miss out a special offer for you. These are just one of many warehouses.
These are not factory orders with 6 months wait. Those vehicles exist right now, 2026 models, warehouse ready. This is a real opportunity and it is available today. It is a global version,
which means you have English in it, French, Spanish. You have Russian and you have Arabic languages. You have extended range, you have bigger battery, 56 kWh, and you'll be happy owner of this luxurious, beautiful SUV.
With air suspensions, Napa leather, 15.7 inch floating touchscreen, power soft closed doors on every door, 6 seats or even 7 seats, your choice. LiDAR assisted driving, 5.7 kilowatts of external power output, and a combined range that no European competitor at this price can match. This is the Rox Adamas.
And as you can see behind me is an endless amount of Rox Adamas and Rox 01. If you are looking for a buyer or you're looking for an expert company who will export you these vehicles or any others into your port of destination,
the window is open right now. Europe has not seen this vehicle yet, but it definitely will. And you can be the first dealer, be the first importer, be the first in your market. Just connect with us. Any quantity, any terms, directly from the factory. Subscribe and follow for more, because this is only the beginning.